Well, today's a rough one. Just really struggling today. I guess with lots of thoughts. Obviously, lots of friends are out of work, family out of work. No real answer on the horizon for a lot of people, including us. I know I've got a number of artist friends around the world who don't have studios anymore or can't go to their studios here in the States. And I know that these things are like literal minor problems. They still suck really bad. Yesterday I got a shipment of art in and I was unpacking it all on a pallet, just kind of rearranging my studio for storage reasons, and I just lost it emotionally. Just started weeping. I just sat down in the middle of my studio and just cried for a while and said some prayers for friends all over the world, friends that are close. And I mean, I'm pretty extroverted and I need to be around people, man. Like, I spend a lot of time alone in my studio regularly because I'm an artist, so I'm always creating. But man, just being able to go to my local coffee shop and hang out with my artist friends here in town, and for us to be able to have dinners at our house and have people over and things like that, just to have community, man, this is just really, really hard. So anyways, just sharing a little bit of vulnerable thought. Right now, as I deal with this, and I'm rearranging my studio and knowing that, I probably won't be in the studio for a long time, and built this studio on property at our house, which is why we moved here. And we're on the verge of putting our house up for sale in the midst of this crisis, because it's, for us, just financially, it's just the smart thing to do. And there's things we like to do, and we need to be saving money and being smart with it. And for us right now, owning a house just isn't in the cards. And it's just a thing. It's just effing brick and wood, and it's a thing. Literally, it's not going to last forever, and neither are we. But still, it's like, it's hard. And my studio is my space, and I'll create anywhere. I don't care. Give me a bedroom, give me a bathroom. I'll create outside if I have to. I'll put a tarp up over my head to paint if it's raining out and I'm working outside. But anyways, just being vulnerable, just letting you guys know that I know you're struggling. I'm struggling too. My prayers are with you. Many of you I know, many of you I don't know, but that doesn't mean I can't extend love in some form or fashion, and know that you are all in my thoughts in this hard time. So draw something, paint something, write something, take a picture of something. Keep creating, don't stop, please don't stop. We need your art, we need your love, we need your hope. And we're all gonna get through this. The human race, we are a very resilient creation. And if you look at history, there have been many things that have been way worse than this. And there are many things way worse than this worldwide existing at the same time as right now. So we'll get through this. We're fighters. Just know you're loved.